Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to download and install JDK8 on Windows operating system. First, I'm going to check if I have Java on this Windows operating system. So click on the search button and type CMD and then type Java-version. As you see, its display Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means I do not have Java installed on this Windows operating system. So I'm going to close this one for now. Open Chrome browser and type download JDK8. Then select the second link, which is JDK8 U202 or earlier. I'm going to open this one in the new tab. When you come to this page, scroll down. As you see, Java SE Development Kit 8U202. And this is the installer. So I'm going to download Windows x64 and click on this 64.ext. Click on the checkbox, then click download. When you click download, it will prompt you to the login page. As you know, after 2019, Java is not free anymore. So as you cannot use Java in the commercial uses. So if company need to use the Java from the Oracle, they have to buy the license. So as a as a user, as a student, our learning purpose, we can use this on for free. We can download for free. So it's required the account. So you have to create an account if you do not have account. So let me show you how the account page looks like. So this is the registration page where you have to provide your valid email address, password, and you have to provide, if you enter the password, then you have to provide your name and job title. Since I assume that you are not using that is organizational level, so you can provide, learning, software testing, learning, or learning Java, something like that. And what phone number, you can provide your own phone number. And company name, you can say home, since we don't have the company. And provide the city and state and zip code. Then click on create account. After you click on create account, it will prompt you to the sign-in page. So you have to provide your valid credential. So I already signed up. So I'm going to use my credential to log in. So as you see, as soon as I click sign in, it starts downloading. Now I'm going to open my download folder. It is still downloading, so it's complete. Download is complete. So now I'm going to install. In order to install, you have to double click on it. Then click yes. Click next. And you see the location where the JDK will be installed is program files. So that's fine. I'm going to leave it as it. Click next. Click OK. So this is the destination folder. I'm going to leave it like this. Click next. Then click close. Next, I'm going to add JDK in system variable. So first, let me copy the location where my JDK was installed. So click C drive, then click program file, click Java, and also click on JDK 1.8. And now click on it. I'm going to select this location, copy. On the search box, on the left side, right, search box, just type edit. Then you will have on the first selection, you will have the edit the system variable. So just click on it, click environment variable. Another window will pop up. Under the system variable, click new and type Java underscore home and paste the location, this Java location, right? So click OK. Next, I'm going to click on the bin folder. Again, click this, select the location, copy, and under the system variable is the path here, add it, then click new and paste the location until the bin. Click OK, click OK, click OK again. And I don't need this window, I can close everything or minimize these windows as well. So now I'm going to open the command prompt again. So CMD. Let's see if I have Java is recognized now. So Java hyphen Java space hyphen version. Right now it's displayed Java version 1.8. So successfully we download and install Java JDK 1.8 in our Windows operating system. Thank you.